What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, today I want to talk about the 5 things you want to do before the end of the year, guys. Listen, I got a jam-packed video for you, so I want to make sure that you guys go into the new year on the right track. I told you guys it's deeper than stocks, and so today we're going to unpack everything you need to do. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, to kick it off, please make sure you do me one favor. Please make sure you like and subscribe and make sure you join the journey, okay? Without further ado, guys, the number one thing I need you to make sure you do, if you are employed, if you are a W-2 employee right now, and you have access to a 401k through your work, or a 403b or 457, please make sure, if you can't max it out, the goal is to max it out, okay? And this year's limit is around $20,500 if you can do that. If you can't get that full amount in there, do what you can. What you can oftentimes is around 15 to 17%, 12 to 15%, give or take. That's a good range to be in so that you're on the right track for retirement, okay? Also, guys, the number 2 thing we need to do, if you have access to a Roth IRA, okay, if you are not at that level yet where you're not maxed out due to how much you earn, I need you to make sure that you max out your Roth IRA, okay? And the limit on that for this year will be around $6,000. Okay, now both of these entities, guys, I'm going to share just some, not recommendations, but just so you kind of know where to start. Okay, here you have Betterment, here you have Fidelity, here you have Vanguard. Okay, all of these can help play a role in getting those things set up if it's not already set up through your job or something like that. Okay, the next thing I need you guys to do is make sure that if you have a HSA, what is a HSA? A health savings account, that you guys max that out as well, okay? On your journey, you're gonna always be faced with medical issues. You don't want a medical issue to wipe out all your hard work and the things that you have worked so hard to do, and you get one huge medical expense bill, and then now it makes your wealth start over at zero. So if I can tell you one thing, okay, is to make sure that if you don't have a health savings account, you check with your employer to see if that is something they offer. Number 2, you can also get one independent of your employer. You just have to make sure you are the one managing it, okay? And then that will allow you to make sure that you can put in $3,650 if you are a single person, and $7,300 if you are a married couple, okay? Again, guys, these are great ways to reduce your income, your taxable income, I should say, and it's a great way to just begin to do the right things in terms of building each pocket of wealth on your journey. I often tell you guys it's deeper than stocks, and so because it's deeper than stocks, I need you to understand the holistic approach to wealth building, okay? A lot of people, when they talk about building wealth, they're just talking about money. They're just talking about how much money they got in their Webull account, okay? But wealth is about the assets you have. Wealth is about all these other categories that we're discussing on a day, and how well you have those funded, and if they're maxed out, and if they can cover your expenses, and if you can live on them, okay? Also, guys, don't forget to fund your emergency fund, okay? I'm throwing that in there as an extra one, all right? Because you want to make sure if you don't got the $1,000 in there, you work to get the $1,000 in there before the end of the year. You might have to put stock buying on hold to make sure you get that where it needs to be. But then throughout the year, I want you to be adding to it incrementally so that you can cover 3 to 6 months worth of your expenses, okay? The next thing is taking care of your health. I often tell you guys, health is wealth. There is no point of learning how to invest, learning how to trade options, building and creating all this wealth if you're not around to enjoy it. So guys, I need you to get a gym membership. I need you to walk. I need you to run on a treadmill, jog, do whatever you need to do to get active, okay? Because your health is your wealth, okay? The greatest thing you have And then you can ask anybody that has done anything in life. You can't get your health back. Once that's gone, it's gone, okay? Money can't replace that. And so you want to not only take care of yourself, but you want to make sure you stay on top of those things so that you can enjoy the fruits of your labor. You can enjoy your significant other. You can enjoy traveling and all the things that the world has to offer, okay? So please, guys, make sure for 2023, you have health at the top of your priority list alongside these other things we're talking about on the true wealth building journey, okay? And last but not least, guys, is to get started. Whatever it is, whether it's writing that book, starting that YouTube channel, opening that restaurant, starting that side hustle, whatever it is, I want to make sure that you guys are understanding now is the time to start. If you keep waiting, if you keep showing up, watching everybody else live their dream and live their life, you'll never get started on yours. I often tell you guys, the Lord has put you here because what you got inside you, somebody else needed. So if you're sitting on your gifts, guys, you are missing out on the amount of people you can be blessing, whether it's your testimony, whether it's your story, whether it's things you've been through, whether it's things you've overcome, whether it's your ideas, whether it's your inventions. And so therefore, guys, get started. I don't care what it is. If you need to go back to school, go back to school. If you need to finish that 4-year degree, finish that 4-year degree. If you need to knock out that doctorate degree, go ahead and knock that out. If you need to complete your master's degree, go ahead and get that out the way. If you want to pay off your student loans debt, get that done. Whatever it is, guys, now is the time to get started, okay? And so don't let another year go by, don't let another minute go by without you doing the things that you know you've been called to do, okay? So with that being said, those are my 5 things on today that I want you guys to do before 2023. So whatever you need to do, adjust your plans, rearrange some things, get your priority and your affairs in order, and make sure you put the main thing first and keep the main thing the main thing. Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. We make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result and very few consider the journey. So do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock. Use my link below. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.